welcome to my channel. I'm Anmol Kumar and today I'm in the last of the three sister villages. Today I am exploring Pulga village. Currently I'm exploring Himachal Pradesh and I'm trying to see the more offbeat and unexplored places. So I heard about these three sister villages, Kalga, Tulga and Pulga, and these are located very close to Kasol. If you haven't seen the video for the rest two of them, I will link them in the description. Pulga is a very beautiful village. I've been here for almost a week now and I really love it here. It has the serenity and peacefulness that one requires, the beautiful view of snow-clad mountains and just amazing food. So if you want to know more about Pulga, where to stay, where to eat, what to do and how to get here, then keep watching. And if you like this video, please consider subscribing and let's go.
The trek to Pulga starts from Barsheni village, and to know how to get till Barsheni, watch the first episode where I explain the whole process in detail. Across the Barsheni dam, you need to keep walking till you reach the stream of water famously called as Pagal Nala. The water here can be quite bold, so be careful. Pulga is the last of the three villages and is located about 1.5 kilometers from here. There is also a shorter but more adventurous shortcut you can take. I explained this route in the second episode as it is also the way to get to Tulga. The hike is relatively easy and in the last stretch you have to climb about 50 steps before you see these colourful houses and you know you're in Pulga. Pulga has a few different cafes that all offer amazing food. This place had by far the best pizza I'd ever tasted in Parvati Valley. This cafe had seating both indoors and outdoors, so you can choose where you want to enjoy a slice. Although most places here will offer Israeli food on the menu, Capital Cafe had the best one. We tried the hummus plate and the shakshuka, both of which were super tasty and come with a lot of hummus. This is the perfect place to enjoy the outdoors in the evening. A dome-shaped and brightly lit cafe, Freedom Cafeteria is the place for you if you're a Momo lover. Look out for this really cute cat called Minnie. She had all my heart and she was really the cutest thing ever. I so wanted to adopt her. This cute and homely place run by a sweet couple, Parul and Kaveri, is chilled out and a relaxed cafe to enjoy aloo paratha, waffles or anything else. Everything in Chai Tapri Cafe is made with love and tastes really amazing. Pulga is a quiet and peaceful village with narrow lanes and wooden houses. Although it is slowly developing, there's still a lot of old-time charm here. I'm especially in awe of these beautiful color combinations and designs of the houses here. Surrounded by so many colors, the place feels lush and alive. At the center of the village, there's a beautifully built temple of traditionally Himachali style, locally known as Narayan Temple. This is also the spot where the villagers organize their local meetings. Okay. Acha. It's a small village, so you can probably see all of it on an hour-long stroll. But the real fun here is just to slow down and enjoy the moment. Walking around in the village, you're always surrounded by snow-clad mountains in every direction. The village still feels untouched by modern facilities, making it a perfect setting to spend some cozy time trying to reconnect with oneself in solitude.
right now I'm on the way to Fairy Forest. Fairy Forest is this beautiful magical forest in Pulga village, and the village is actually surrounded by the forest from two sides. So there's not just one but many ways to go to this forest. So today we're going through the village. We're taking the routes between the farms and taking these small little trails. The aim of today is to find this waterfall that the villagers have told us about. So the locals have told us that about 1 hour of trek leads us to this really nice cascading waterfall. So I'm really excited to find it and take you along on the journey. Right now we've reached this waterfall, but please don't mistake it for the real waterfall. I mean, it is a real waterfall, but this is the smaller version of it. And there's actually another waterfall that I've heard about which goes on if you continue on this trail. So I'm gonna try and find that one out because I've heard that one is like a little bigger and better. That first waterfall behind, even though it was so beautiful. I want to see if there's anything else worth exploring, and if there is another waterfall, or if it's just a myth. So let's go find it out. Kind of hear the waterfall, so let's go. So after 40 minutes of trekking, I think we're finally here. This is the second waterfall that people have been talking about, and we're gonna go see all of it. Finally made it to this waterfall, and it's so pretty. The water is so cold but so clean. It's so nice, like it's literally drinking water. And the stream is actually like a cascading waterfall like I heard about. So it's really pretty. Today was a success.
I had a wonderful time in Pulga, and it's a great place to visit for your next journey. So make sure to add it in your itinerary. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like this, please make sure to like and subscribe, and stay tuned so you can watch the next episode of Exploring Himachal.